Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install the Gmail application on PC. Chapter 1. Install Gmail app on PC from Chrome. To get started, open Chrome. Next, click on Customize and control Google Chrome and then click on the More Tools option. There, click on Create Shortcut. Now indicate the name to use and you must activate the Open as window box. When you apply the changes, Gmail will open as an application. You will see the shortcut, and also from the system browser you will see that Gmail is an application. Chapter 2. Install Gmail app on PC from Edge. To get started, open Edge. There, click on Settings and More. Then click on Apps and there click on Install this site as an app. Here you can assign a name and then click Install. You will see that Gmail opens as an application and it is possible to adjust some settings. After that, you will see the shortcut, and from the system browser you will see that Gmail is an application. Chapter 3. Uninstall Gmail app on PC. To uninstall this app, click the Start menu and then click Settings. There, go to Apps and then Apps and Features. Now locate Gmail and by clicking on its three-point menu, click on Uninstall. You must confirm the process and complete the steps. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.